Hi and welcome. In this lesson you will learn what photosynthesis is and you will learn why plants are green. The learning goals. You can describe the process of photosynthesis and you can explain why plants are green and how leaves change color during autumn. Okay, in short, photosynthesis is a process in which plants use sunlight, water and carbon dioxide to produce oxygen and glucose. That's a sugar. So if you would compare plants with sugar factories or glucose factories, the raw materials would be water, carbon dioxide, and they need power, so they have the solar power to drive photosynthesis. And the products would be glucose, sugar, and oxygen. Photosynthesis can occur in all the green parts of a plant, in the chloroplasts. And these chloroplasts can be found in the cells of a plant. So this is the site where photosynthesis occurs. So this is the site where oxygen and glucose is made. Plants can breathe through their stomata. So on the surface of the leaves, you can find tiny little mouths, and these are called the stomata. And when the mouths are open, when the stomatas are open, a plant can breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. So to give an overview, for photosynthesis, a plant needs water. It's absorbed by the roots. And as the water is absorbed by the roots, it's transported through the stems to the leaves. And in the leaves, you have these stomata, these little mouths. And when they open, a plant can breathe in carbon dioxide. And the carbon dioxide will travel to the chloroplasts together with the water, and it will enter the chloroplasts. The chloroplasts are able to trap sunlight, so they use the solar power, and with this energy they can produce oxygen and glucose. Now the question, why are plants green? As you may know, the sunlight is composed of different colors. So if an object is black, it means that all these different colors are absorbed, but also its energy. So wearing a black shirt on a summer's day won't help to cool you down. But when an object is white, it means that all these colors are reflected. So we will see it as white. Now, during photosynthesis, the plant will only use the energy of certain colors. So only these colors will be absorbed. The color green is the most useless to the plant, so this color won't be absorbed, but will be reflected, and so we will see a green plant. In the greenhouses, you often see red colors, orange colors, purplish colors. These are the colors that are the most useful for plants to carry out photosynthesis. Now, in the autumn, a lot of leaves change color. And the reason why is that in the winter, a lot of trees lose their leaves. But chloroplasts are expensive to make, so before losing their leaves, the chloroplasts are transferred back into the trunk, into the stem, and are stored there for the next spring. Now, as more and more chloroplasts are transported back into the trunk, less colors are absorbed by photosynthesis. So some colors normally absorbed during photosynthesis will now be reflected, and that is the reason that you will see the red colors and the yellowish colors during autumn. Goed, dat was dan alweer het einde van deze les. Mocht je de Nederlandse versie van dit filmpje willen bekijken, kijk dan op het YouTube kanaal van Biologie met Joost. Dat is links en anders rechts voor de volgende Engelse les.